Hello everyone. Welcome to the first episode of my Get Ungrounded Trivia series. Let's meet our guests for today. First up, we have Classic Caillou, who has been grounded for multiple occasions. Up next, we have Suguru Kamoshida from Persona 5. And finally, we have Pink Gold Peach, who is just as childish as Childish Dad. I will now explain the rules. If you get a question right, you will get ungrounded for some time. However, if you get a question wrong, you will be grounded. Let's kick things off with the first question. What is 1 plus 1? If you think you know the answer, please buzz in.
Is the answer 11?
No, Pink Gold Peach, the answer is not 11. You are grounded for 10 years.
2.
That is correct, Kamoshida. You are ungrounded for 10 years. Now it's time for the next question. What is the largest city in Pennsylvania?
Is the answer Los Angeles?
No, Classic Caillou. The answer is not Los Angeles. Los Angeles is not in Pennsylvania. You are grounded for 50 years. The answer is still up for grabs if anyone wants it. Time's up. The answer is Philadelphia, my home city. Time for the next question. Who sings the 2017 hit song Shape of You?
Is the answer Miss Rachel?
No. The answer is not Miss Rachel. You are grounded for 100 years.
Is the answer Cardi B?
Do not ever credit Cardi B for the greatest song to embrace the earth. For that, you are grounded for 1,000 years. Will Kamoshida answer this question?
Is it Ed Sheeran?
Yes. The answer is indeed Ed Sheeran. You are now ungrounded for 100 years. It's time for the next question. What voice do I use for myself?
Is it Vina?
No. The answer is not Vina.
As if I really sound like this.
You are grounded for 200 years.
Is it Matthew?
Yes. The voice that I use for myself is in fact Matthew. You are ungrounded for 200 years. Let's move on to another question. What is the name of the fox from Five Nights at Freddy?
Is the answer JJ from Coco Melon?
No, the answer is not JJ from Coco Melon. You are grounded for 100 years.
Is the answer Foxy?
Yes. The answer is Foxy. You are ungrounded for 100 years. Okay, time for the next question. What is the minimum number of obsidian blocks required to make another portal?
Is it 10?
Yes. That is correct. It takes a minimum of 10 obsidian blocks to make another portal. You are ungrounded for 10 years.
Only 10 years? You've got to be kidding me.
Shut up. It's at least better than getting the question wrong and getting grounded. Anyway, time for another question. What is 476 quintillion 527 quadrillion 579 trillion 647 billion 772 million 834,075 times 348 quintillion 758 quadrillion 465 trillion 746 billion 723 million 685,587? Time's up. The answer is 166 duodecillion 193 undecillion 27 decillion 563 nonillion 956 octillion 924 septillion 839 sextillion 134 quintillion 316 quadrillion 831 trillion 620 billion 219 million 977,025. How can you possibly not get this one?
Maybe it's because you gave us a really hard math problem and didn't give us enough time to solve it.
Shut up, Kamoshida. Anyway, it's time for the next question. How many elements are on the periodic table?
Is the answer Miss Rachel's learning?
No, the answer is not Miss Rachel's learning. What kind of stupid answer was that? For giving me such a stupid answer, you are grounded for 5,000 years.
Is the answer 118?
That is correct. There are 118 chemical elements on the periodic table. You are ungrounded for 1,000 years. Here comes the next question. What year was the original Toy Story movie released?
Is the answer 2037?
No, classic Caillou. Toy Story was not released in 2037. That year hasn't happened yet. You are grounded for 2,000 years. Also, like this video if you are watching this in the year 2037.
Is it 1995?
That is correct. Toy Story was released in 1995. You are ungrounded for 2,000 years. Alright everyone, this is the last question for tonight. Get ready for it. Should you subscribe to Lightning Gameroid?
No, you should not subscribe to Lightning. You make grounded videos out of all of us here.
Kamoshida, how dare you say you should not subscribe to me? That's it. You are grounded for 945376534775894738054378438743931 years. That's it for today's episode of my Get Ungrounded Trivia. There will be more in the future. Everyone here did terrible, and they all got grounded. See you next time.